Hey friends, DataSync now has lifecycle stage filtering. So if you're using DataSync to sync HubSpot to like Microsoft Dynamics or one of these CRMs that has separate lead and contact objects, in HubSpot we just have one contacts object. And so the syncing there can get a little confusing, and now we've given you more granular controls over that using lifecycle stages. So check this out. Here I am setting up a Microsoft Dynamics sync. So we have a lead sync here. And if we look at this, we have this option here, right? We are only going to sync over contacts that are marked as leads in the lifecycle status property as leads to Microsoft Dynamics. We can set that up. And then look, if we add a separate sync, right, we're going to sync more data. We're seeing two different contact syncs here because Dynamics has leads, which we already have set up in contacts. If we come over here, this is my favorite part of this. There's a little guardrail to keep you from getting your wires crossed, because I would totally get my wires crossed. If I come in here to select what lifecycle stages will sync over as contacts, leads is not an option because I've already set that up as my lead sync, you know? And so now I can select different options. And you could choose multiple if you want for each one. Just however you want this information set up, you can do that. So that's just a little thing, gives you a little more control over how your data syncs. Check that out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.